Um, However, she will get in touch with you and we'll talk to you further after the meeting.
Everything alright?
Yeah, man, everything alright, but as I said, she will call you and talk to you, alright? Miss Brissett?
Oh, go on, Stinger.
Yeah, how about you?
I'm here now. You're good?
Yeah, man, alright.
You sure? You look a little exhausted.
Well, that might be it. It's been a long week.
German?
So what you have for me? What's the report?
So we found 23 Haitians. Out of the 23, 11 were women, 9 were men, and 3 were boys.
So what want to do with them?
Well, what I wanted to do, I couldn't. Because soon as the regulars turned up, they just took them and they handed them over to immigrations.
What did you want to do with them, Stinger?
Well, I was thinking about getting them into a safe house because they really look scared.
We can't even touch that. Remember, so them up on the island illegal, you know. So them have to follow protocol and turn them over to immigrations.
I get that, Miss Brissett. I totally understand. I'm not really business about the man them. I just the 3 youth them and the 11 women them. And them are my concern. The man them can go fend for themselves.
It's out of our hands. You know, so once immigration get involved, there's nothing we can do. And you know that there's always a stigma attached to the Haitians.
But that's not always true. Some of them genuinely leave the country because them want a better life, you know.
And some of them come here and get involved in gangs. That's documented, you know.
So this is where me I think that if we can get to them before the regular authorities get to them, all we do is put them in our safe house and we groom them.
No, Stinger, that cannot work. Let me explain some of the implications that can have on us. Say we send them on an operation. Remember, they're not in the system. Send them on an operation, them get caught. That lead back to us. What happened? We are fucked royally. You want to start selling from a cart?
So we not can train them properly this time. That's we not get royally.
True story. Operation Get the Asian, which Whisper was a part of. 3 Haitians with high-powered weapons running rampant in Spanish Town. For want of a better word, they gave us hell, but we apprehended them. The one who was considered the smartest and the brightest, we used him on an operation. You know what happened? 5 inches of a blade in his stomach. This close to death. No, we couldn't rush him on a local doctor. We'd have to call in our doctors to take care of it.
That never reached the local media.
We would not be having this discussion right now. So when I say to you, it is not one of the best ideas to engage them, it isn't.
German?
We know we talk on the phone a lot, but we've never formally met.
Yeah.
So,
Me that try place a face and a body with the name.
don't tell me say a picture of a white man with a blonde hair and blue eyes.
Not really. You did think you're more taller, not short.
Well, at least me not short or nothing. Come here, be of assistant.
Yeah. This just shut down for me. It crashed.
Let me see what I'm going to say. You alright?
Oh, yeah, I'm alright. We are weird.
Tom Ford.
Nice.
Alright. This look like it crash. It have company files on it?
Yeah, and we need them. It's for a case that we're handling right now.
Yeah. I've got to carry it back to my place and have a look at it.
Alright. I can access something?
Sure.
You're in the control room all day?
Sometime 10 hours a day. 1 hour for lunch and back to work.
I mean, you enjoy it?
Yeah, only for responsibility, but I love my work.
So, you don't get too much.
Not really.
You should get out more.
Sure, once I get a reason to. But I'll see if I can have this back to you in 2 days. But this WAF thing now is a call for concern. Some container come the other day with some care goods. However, 4 more guns were found.
That sounds to me like you do a good job. Just stay with it and make sure you comb through.
Comb through, we got combed out.